convention, let us expand it. Let us do something that has impact, not only within our fields, not only for us, but of course, to the lives of the community that we serve, to the whole nation. This convention is a testament of power and collaboration of shared purpose, and is a platform where we gather as one ISEP, as one electronics professionals, but as a community as well bound by ideals and aspirations. So I humbly ask all of us, let us continue to work forward, hand in hand, in one direction. One direction, meaning lahat tayo. Walang pupunta sa ibang direction. I hope that when we move forward,